Hello and welcome to today's graduation pre-check workshop hosted by the College of Science Advising Center. Today we'll go over the graduation process here at CPP, the difference between graduation and commencement, the graduation checklist, degree progress reports, transcripts, tips for post-graduation, and next steps to senior success. Let's start with what is the difference between graduation and commencement? There is a difference. Graduation is when you complete all your degree requirements. This is when your degree is awarded. Commencement is an optional ceremony. Commencement ceremony at Cal Poly Pomona is only offered in spring. So this year it will be offered in May 2023. Typically, it happens May of every year. You can participate in the May 2023 commencement if you're graduating within this academic year. That includes fall 2022, spring 2023, and summer 2023. For those of you that are familiar with early commencement participation for fall, that is no longer offered. You can only participate in commencement of the academic year that you graduate in. Let's start by reviewing your graduation checklist. You'll need to begin by reviewing your degree progress report. At the very top of your degree progress report, you'll see the academic year of the curriculum you're following. You'll need to go through the entire DPR or degree progress report to see which requirements you've completed with the green check marks, which requirements you have in progress with the yellow diamonds, and then plan the remaining of your classes that you've not completed yet. Those are listed in the red squares, and plan those in the CPP Connect planner. If when looking at your degree progress report, you see that something looks incorrect, connect with your advisor. One other thing, you will need to make sure that there are no incomplete or in progress grades. You'll need to make sure you have final grades before you can graduate. So why might your degree progress report not be updated? You might have petitions that have not been processed yet, a curriculum year change that has not been processed yet. You've recently changed your major and that has not been processed yet, or you have transfer credit that Cal Poly has not received or processed. If any of these are true for you, check in with an advisor and we can make sure that these are processed. Now let's review your transcripts. You'll need to make sure you complete at least 120 units by the end of your last term. Your major may require more than 120 units. Please refer to your curriculum sheet for that. You can see how many units you've actually completed at the very bottom of your transcripts. You'll need to look at overall units earned. Please look below on where to find the total overall units on your unofficial transcripts. Another requirement you'll need to keep an eye out is your GPA. You must be in good academic standing, which is a 2.0 GPA in order to graduate. You must have a 2.0 GPA in your CPP, overall, and major GPA. Your CPP and overall GPA can be found at the bottom of your unofficial transcripts. Your major GPA can be found at the bottom of your degree progress report. This will be listed right after all your major requirements. Now let's move on to the CPP Connect planner. This is a great tool to help you plan and have a great visual of your remaining requirements. On the left-hand side of your planner, you'll see all your remaining requirements, and you can then plan them term by term from now until graduation. Make sure you have everything accounted for by connecting with your advisor. Quick note about the planner. The College of Science is doing a giveaway right now. There's an opportunity drawing depending on when you complete your planner. If you complete your planner through graduation, by October, you have a chance of winning a spring 2023 parking pass. If you complete by November, you have the chance of winning a $25 Bronco Bucks gift card And if you complete by the end of the semester, you have a chance of winning a swag bag. Follow us on social media to learn more about this giveaway. Let's get back to the presentation. One other thing that you'll need to make sure to do is look to see if you have any holds that will prevent you from registering into your last semester or will prevent you from graduation. You can check your registration holds through your Bronco Direct Student Center, and right there you can click on Details to see if any of these holds will prevent registration or graduation. If you have any questions, check in with your advisor. We can go over if a specific hold on your account will prevent registration or graduation. Here are some tips for post-graduation success. You can already get started on this. It's great for you to start setting yourself up for success in undergrad through internships to get that outside the classroom experience. You can also do that with research with a faculty member. Always connect with the Career Center to help you develop your resume, your cover letter, do mock interviews, etc. They will help you with setting yourself up to be successful and ready for when you go into the force field. We've talked about what to do if you have any questions and check in or connect with your assigned advisor. So how do you connect with them? You can check through Bronco Direct Student Center in the advisors box to email them directly. You can go onto CPP Connect homepage to connect with them, or you can also text Billy and ask, who is my advisor? You can connect with us for a more one-on-one advising session. So what are your next steps and action items? Make sure you complete your planner so that you have a clear idea of what you have remaining to complete. Attend a one-on-one appointment with an advisor once you're invited, or check in with your advisor via email or by making an appointment directly through CPP Connect. You can also view the steps to senior success on the Student Success Central website. Right there, you'll see every single step to success, including helpful videos on how to apply for graduation once you are ready. Thank you so much, and we hope that this was a helpful workshop for you. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions at any time.